Alright y'all, so I've been unboxing my lights. They just came in. You know, I told y'all we getting serious. Yes sir, we getting serious. See the background. Just making sure I show y'all this whole station. You know, you feel me? Everything gonna be litty, I promise. Alright y'all, since I showed y'all like the background and everything, what it looked like from that side, since y'all always gonna be looking from this side, as y'all can see, the lighting is super dope. My mic is alright, but we're gonna keep working, man. We're gonna keep pushing. All I need from y'all is y'all to comment what videos y'all want to see. That's it. So today's video gonna be about my subscribers, bro. If any of y'all want to get started on y'all channel, don't worry about all these lights. That's gonna come. Well, first thing you need to worry about, first things first, content. I started out posting videos on my phone. I got a camera, a vlogging camera, but everything happened with the process. People used to tell me, hey, you need a mic. Yeah, I did. So it's gonna come with time. Like once you start posting content, you may get like 10 views, you know. Don't stress that. Like keep pushing. You never know when your channel gonna hit a peak and it's gonna just go crazy. So what I want y'all to do is, with your iPhone, everybody got an iPhone. All you gotta do is hold it up like you recording for Instagram or for Facebook, whatever. Hold it up where in the bathroom. Hold it up in the, I don't care what y'all channel about, start in the bathroom. The bathroom got the best lighting. You don't have to pay for it, especially if you live with your parents still. They pay for it. I ain't say that. I ain't, don't tell them I gave y'all this advice. You feel me? You using up they damn light bill, they're gonna come in now. Boy, if you don't get your, you feel me? But get in front of the camera, man. Get comfortable being in front of the camera. First thing first, you know. But what I want to say is, when you recording, make sure you holding, like, even if it's a selfie stick. If you don't have a selfie stick, make sure you holding the camera steady, because you don't want the camera to be shaky. And also hold it landscape, not like this, like you normally hold it for Instagram. Turn it landscape, not portrait but landscape, because when you post it on YouTube, it's gonna be like this, and there's gonna be black borders on the side. So you don't want that. That looks terrible for your videos, for your content. So just hold it landscape. Whatever you're talking about, make sure you're funny. Just be yourself. Be yourself. If you serious, be serious. Just be yourself. Y'all know I'm a clown. Yeah. I just wanted to put that out there that anybody could be a YouTuber. Just be yourself. No cap.